Okay, it is prefix time. So we have learned a lot about suffixes. Suffixes come at the end of the word, but prefixes come at the beginning of the word, and it changes the meaning. So we're going to focus on 4 prefixes today. We have re, says re, and it means back or again. And the motion we're going to do for back or again is we're going to just go backwards again, like a cycle, because we got to return or redo. Then we have prefix un, says on, and it means not. And I mean not tied, or so it's like untied. And prefix pre says pre, and it means before. I'm going to do the sign language for before. So preview or pretest are examples of those words. And then we have prefix mis, says miss, and it means bad or wrong. Thumbs down, bad or wrong. So like misbehave, that's bad behavior or wrong behavior. So if I'm reading words that have prefixes or suffixes, we want to identify those first. So I've already done the first 2 for us. I identified that there was an ing, and then I identified that there's a re. Well, I know, so my base word is check, checking, happening right now. And if I'm rechecking, I'm doing it over again. I'm checking again. Same with this word. I identified that there was a suffix ed, that means past tense. And then a prefix un means not. So this was plugged. So in the past, unplugged. It's not plugged in anymore. So let's do this one. Hopefully we identify that there's an ed, past tense. And there's a suffix, miss. Notice that it's only one S because it doesn't follow the FOSS rule. It's just a prefix. So my base word is spell. So if I add spelled, I did it in the past. So if I misspelled, I spelt a word wrong in the past. So we definitely want to be able to identify if it's a suffix or if there's a prefix in the word. So for example, this word, I don't see a suffix, but I do see a prefix. So my root word or my base word is trace, going over something. And if I retrace, that means I do it again. Cycle, I do it again. So those are prefixes that we're focusing on. Now remember, prefixes change the meaning at the beginning of a word.